Today I want to talk to you about the best stocks to buy for 2021. Hi, my name is The Alchemist, and in this video, I'm going to show you what stocks are worth investing in for 2021. The stock market can be a bit tricky, but there are some definite winners out there that will make your portfolio grow exponentially. So let's dive right into it. Number 1, PayPal Holdings. The industry to which it belongs is the credit services. This has a market value of $315.8 billion, possessing yield-to-date return of 14.8%. For 30 years, Will Danoff has managed the Fidelity Contra Fund, and he's not afraid to admit that his recent performance hasn't been spotless. With $125 billion in assets under management, this fund is one of the largest on Wall Street, but 2 out of 5 years ago it failed to beat its benchmark index for large companies. Number 2, Castle Biosciences. The industry to which it belongs is diagnostics and research. It has a market value of $1.8 billion, possessing yield-to-date return of 7.4%. One of the best stocks for 2021 is Castle Biosciences. The company's proprietary tests have made it a valuable asset in skin and eye cancer research, backed up by 262% growth since their initial public offering. IPO price dropped to $16. In fact, Wasatch recently invested 2.4% of its assets into CSTL among its top 10 stock picks at this time. With so much potential yet untapped, it is expected to shoot even higher as we look forward towards next year. Number 3, IEC Electronics. It belongs to the industry of electronic components. It has a market value of $111.6 million, possessing yield-to-date return of 22.4%. How would you like to make 56.9% in a little time? Many analysts like Dan Abramowitz, who specializes in small-cap stocks at Hilton Financial Management and found a major winner with Chemers, has identified IEC Electronics as his top pick for 2021. With only 122 million shares outstanding, valued currently around $11 per share, these are the types of investments that can provide investors with huge returns on their investment. Number 4, Hilton Worldwide Holdings. It belongs to the industry of lodging. It has a market value of $35.4 billion, possessing yield-to-date return of 14.1%. Hilton Worldwide Holdings is one of the promising stocks on the post-COVID recovery. Mature markets will likely benefit from COVID pandemic as it fades, but Hilton's focus is to re-establish its presence in emerging economies such as China, where there are still gaps left to fill and room for growth over time. Many analysts say that the demand of this particular stock will pick up. There's no denying that virus has damaged their business. By 2020 they expect earnings which were $1 billion less than 2019. Revenue per available room was at 47 cents during this period, down from 102 cents back then, but Wall Street analysts expect improvement next year. Cash pot $3 billion means company can ride out COVID aftermath with profits still intact at end 2021. Number 5, Alibaba Group. It belongs to the industry of internet retail. It has a market value of $567.8 billion, possessing yield-to-date return of 10.1%. Alibaba, the company behind China's largest e-commerce website Alibaba.com, is witnessed to be magnificently booming. This comes after revenues have more than tripled in 3 years, an incredible feat for any international business, but especially noteworthy when comparing it to competitor Tencent Holdings, which only has a 0.5 percentage point difference between their shares held by investors based on AUMs with 11%. Number 6, Pinterest. It belongs to the industry of social media. It has a market value of $35.4 billion, possessing yield-to-date return of 48.6%. Pinterest is a social networking app that allows users to share images grouped by keywords. The user experience on the website can range from acquainting oneself with new ideas, or finding inspiration for one's own life and work. Pinterest just inked a partnership with Shopify to allow advertisers the opportunity to upload catalogs directly onto its site. This is great news for marketers who are struggling with how best to reach their target audience. The new ad technology platform allows them an accessible, cost-effective way of showcasing products and services on Pinterest's very popular website, which has gained 25% over each year for 4 years now. These were some of the best stocks to invest for 2021. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos like that. Tell us in the comments section about how much you liked the video, and any topic that you would like to hear from us. Thank you, from The Alchemist.